Good morning, everyone. I'm super excited to be here. I'm in Oman right now. I'm in Muscat. I think that's how you say it, Muscat. And I am super excited to be here. I got up super early. I got up way earlier than my boo, so I want to go for a morning walk. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to show you the grounds of the. Now they are undergoing some renovation, which is fine. They don't start any of the construction until after when I wake up. But if you're you're a late riser, that may get under your skin a little bit. I think the renovation ends in about a few weeks. So let's tour these grounds and I'll show you this beautiful hotel.